Since the world has gone COVID crazy, I've got to thinking how other healthcare systems may be handling this current situation. According to the National Healthcare Program, there are 4 basic models, which include the Beveridge model, the Bismarck model, the National Health model, and the out-of-pocket model. They've also said the only developed industrialized countries, which is only about 40 out of the 200, have established a healthcare system. The others are either too poor or unorganized to provide medical care to their residents. And their basic rule is that the rich get medical care and the poor stay sick or even die. Moving on to the models, the first one is the Beveridge model. This one was named after William Beveridge. This one is financed by the government through tax payments and is also controlled by the government. So the nurses and doctors are government employees and are told what to do and how much to charge their patients. The countries practicing this are Great Britain, Spain, and New Zealand. The next is the Bismarck. This one is named after the Prussian Chancellor Otto von Bismarck. This one is more of an insurance company. It's most similar to America. So the insurance companies cover everybody, and it is paid through and financed through employees and employers through their payroll deduction. So everyone is covered, however, these companies do not get any profit. And the countries that are doing this are Germany, France, and Japan. The next one is the National Health Insurance model. This one has elements of both. It is government ran, but it's also financed through insurance companies. It's much cheaper and simpler. However, the prices are negotiated. The government does control the costs and how much medical care they can basically do to the patient, or they even make the patient wait to be treated. This one is practiced in Canada, and as I said, the prices are negotiated. So that's also the pharmaceutical medicine. So many Americans will cross the northern border to get cheaper pharmaceutical medicine. The next is the out-of-pocket. This one is found in China, Africa, and India, where we have some poor countries, and some of these residents go years or their whole life without seeing a doctor. And they have other home remedies and natural medicines that they will use that may or may not be effective towards the disease. And some of them are poor, so they might scratch up enough money to pay the bill out of pocket, or they'll bargain with goat milk, potatoes, or even childcare to get the medical care that are needed. Moving on to the United States is a little bit different due to the fact that they have elements from all 4 systems. For instance, if employees get insurance through their job, we're most similar to Germany, or if 65 years and older get care through medical assistance and Medicare, we are closer to Canada. And this is also unlike others because many countries have settled for one type of model, which is much simpler for them. However, United States uses all 4 elements because we have such a diverse population with different ethnic groups and or religious beliefs in our population.